Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. If this is your very first time here. Today, first of all, my nails broke, so don't even mind that. Don't judge me. I ain't had time to go fix that situation yet, but you know, it's coming. Today, I want to do like an all matte makeup look. I've seen some other people do it, but I've never done it myself, and I love the way it looks like in photos. We are going to do this kind of get ready with me style because I do have some things to get off my chest to share with you guys. Just some things that I've been going through that I've been wanting to just like put out on my platform. Before we roll into the video, please make sure that you hit subscribe below so that you are updated every time that I drop new videos. We love to see new people join the GaloreGang, so please make sure that you do that. And let's hop right into it. So we're gonna start off with face today. I don't really want to go in with eyes first. I don't really plan on doing anything too crazy with the eyes, so we're gonna do the face first. I did just get a package from Milk Makeup. I got on that good old PR list. I love Milk Makeup, so shout out to y'all. I did get some of their complexion products that I want to use today. I did just use it for an Instagram tutorial that I just filmed, and I am in love. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm probably just gonna go ahead and just mention everything that I'm using without like actually talking about it. The foundation I'm using is the Flex foundation from Milk, and this is in Golden Deep. So yeah, y'all, I've done a video before about insecurities like on YouTube or as an influencer and stuff like that, just as far as like your content. But I didn't really talk about like some more personal stuff that I feel like stunts me sometimes from growing or doing the things that I want to do, like on my channel, on my Instagram. Look how that color just melts, and it looks a little light, but it is the color of my chest, which I do like to match, so that's why this is happening. A few things that I did want to, that I have been like really dealing with, which I have been dealing with these things like throughout all of my 20s, and I'm in my 30s now. I just turned 30, but I'm in my 30s now. It was some stuff that I feel like I've struggled with in that decade that I did not want to bring into this decade. Obviously, we can't control life. Life happens to all of us. It's not our choice what follows us, what doesn't, what we planned on accomplishing, and what we end up not accomplishing by a certain amount of time. So that's not that big of a deal. But, you know, I was nervous to do this video, but I'm gonna just go ahead and put it out there. I struggle with not only insecurities about my content as far as not being good enough, but I struggle with a lot of internal issues as far as like body stuff, you know? Can't believe I'm even talking about this right now. It is very, very hard, especially being an influencer. I'm gonna be blending this foundation forever. Especially like being an influencer and being that it's my job to like be on here, show myself, show my face, show my body. A lot of people go through those type of body insecurities normally. I feel like it's an elevated level when you're like an influencer and you're like in the public eye, you know, because not only are you dealing with it yourself, but you're dealing with having to show those things to other people, which can feel extremely uncomfortable when you don't feel that great about yourself in certain ways. And by the way, this is my Too Faced Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer, and this is in chestnut. One crazy thing is like I used to wear makeup like all the time, like consistently, full face every day. And once I started like my channel and I started to like do my makeup on camera and stuff like that, I actually felt like I needed makeup less. And that sounds weird, but I think I mentioned this on my channel before. Showing my bare face before I do makeup kind of gave me the confidence that I needed to actually just be more comfortable in my own skin without makeup, which is crazy. But you guys know that now I'm getting into doing more fashion videos, and I love the idea that I'm doing that now, but I feel like it's a situation where I'm hoping that that could help me with my body insecurities that I do have. I feel like a lot of people feel like I'm perfect, and I don't. First of all, nobody's perfect, but I feel like a lot of you guys think that I'm perfect or think that everything with me is good, and like I feel like I'm pretty, or I got this or I got that, and that's why I feel like making these types of videos is so important, because with the world of influencers and more influencers coming out, things look real perfect from an Instagram picture or YouTube video. I mean, it does. It look real nice, it look real perfect, look real nice, but I think that you can touch more people or inspire more people when you're being your true self, and not only just being yourself but showing your true self and things that you go through, and show people that you're a normal person. Like yeah Y'all don't even know how much I struggle with these things. Like, I'm gonna use this Milk Makeup Flex Concealer. This is in caramel, and I'm just gonna use this to brighten because it is a little lighter than the chestnut. I feel like it's just so important for me to share some of these things, like, and put myself out there, just because so many girls are in my DMs talking about how I inspire them and, you know, how they like this or they like this picture of my style or this is that and the other. But I know that there are so many people out here going through issues of insecurity and not liking themselves and not liking certain things about themselves. And I don't never want nobody to look at me or my Instagram or my YouTube and be like, oh, she's perfect. Oh, she's got it together. You know, oh, she's got this or she's got that. And no, I don't. No, I don't. Yes, things are great, guys. Bless me. However, I still go through some very real issues that are literally stunting. Like, they stunt me and keep me from doing certain things that I want to do. I'm gonna skip through this a little bit because I don't want this video to be too long. I do want to sculpt underneath here, so I'm gonna take chestnut and blend that out. The contour, I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear, and I'm gonna put this around the perimeter of my face and blend her in. So of course we know the standard of beauty, like in the media and TV and stuff like that, definitely shapes women and how they feel about themselves, which it should not, but it does. And I feel like growing up and not only just seeing images of what everybody or the majority of people thought was beautiful, but also, you know, just like having like people in my life, like classmates or associates or even friends, like criticize you or compare you to someone else and say, oh well, you know, Maya's face is gorgeous but her body ain't this, you know what I'm saying? And it's just like, having those type of things happen kind of shapes who you are inside and how you feel about yourself. And I feel like that is what, having that happen multiple times, like, it's what makes you have that void, you know, like inside, to make you feel like you're not good enough or as beautiful as this girl or this type of body shape or, you know, stuff like that. And this is actually something that has always just really bothered me, especially in my 20s, being a woman, because it's just like, y'all, I can't even talk about this right now, but I'm trying to be very transparent. I have had an eating disorder before in my mid-20s. Early 20s, I did lose a lot of weight. I got really healthy and I lost it the right way and everything, but I got so obsessed with being thinner and got obsessed with that lifestyle that I developed some really unhealthy habits, and I did develop an eating disorder. I don't know, I feel like sometimes certain people that I talked to about it, they didn't want to really acknowledge that that's what it was, but that's exactly what it was. It was just really sad. It was a very low point of my life, and it lasted maybe for about a little bit over a year. During that time, I developed a habit of like not wanting to look at myself, like bare self in the mirror, and that's something that I still struggle with today. I just hate that. I really hate it, just because. Okay, so I definitely just paused my camera because this is a lot. This is really personal, and I'm not feeling extremely comfortable doing this right now, but well, look, 'cause I ain't gonna cry on this Sunday afternoon. The Lord really just knows what to do and how to get you to keep going. I just went on my Instagram and I got a comment from someone from a picture that I just posted, and she was just saying how I'm an inspiration to her, or that I, you know, seeing that I do take breaks because I'm going through stuff or trying to fight through insecurities or a lack of confidence, and then I come back stronger. This is what she was saying in her comment. She was just saying that helps her to continue to keep going. And that is the reason why I feel like it's so important for me to do these types of videos, because I want you guys and my followers, I want all of you guys who look up to me or watch my videos, support me, and to realize that I'm human. I'm just like you. That's a lot of you guys are going through a lot of stuff that keeps you from moving forward in your dreams, you know, whether that be wanting to be an influencer or want to be a beauty figure or whatever it is that you want to do. Insecurities and things like this really tend to stunt our growth, and it keeps us from being great. And I really want to be an example to you guys that yes, you can go through things like this and feel insecure about your content or feel insecure about yourself, how you look, and still keep going, you know, because keeping going helps you to gain more confidence, to put yourself out there, to say I'm going to do this no matter what I'm thinking right now or what the devil is throwing into my mind. I got this. So I just got a little emotional there. Let me calm it down. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I'm gonna set my under eye with my Mented Skin Silk, and this is in light tan. And I'm just gonna use it to set my concealer. And this is a really nice matte powder. Like, look at the finish there. From here, and it being kind of gloss, not glossy, but dewy, to the matte look here. So if you ain't got on a Mented train, black owned business, black woman owned business, then you guys definitely should do that because their products are amazing. And to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna go into the Milk Makeup Blur and Set powder. And this is their translucent deep powder, just to take the dewiness out of the foundation and the rest of the face. Under here, I'm gonna set with a skin tone powder. I'm gonna go into the Mented powder that's actually in medium deep, and I'm gonna use that on a brush and just place it there just to give my little chiseled look. If you're brown skin, you definitely don't, brown skin to dark skin, you definitely don't want to use like a light powder under here because that'll give you like that cast that is just really not cute. And I used to do my clients like that. Lord forgive me. I hope they forgive me. I was learning. So I hope that I actually have the courage to actually edit and post this video tomorrow. I don't know, I'm definitely feeling vulnerable doing it, but like I said before, the reason that I do it is just so that you guys can hopefully be able to relate to me even more. Because even if your issue isn't what my issue is, everyone has something, you know, that bothers us or makes us not want to do something that can get us ahead in life. And this is my thing. I just hope that if any of you guys are going through anything similar, if you want to share, you can let me know in the comment, or you can get on my Instagram. Go ahead and go to my Instagram page and DM me anything if you want to talk about something or you want to get something off your chest. I do check my DMs, so please make sure you do that if that is something that you're interested in doing. But I really want to create a safe space. I'm using Prime Beauty bronzer. This is in Bronzeville. I really want to create a safe space for you guys to be able to feel comfortable, to talk about beauty, to be beautiful, to indulge in what is beauty, but also talk about the other things that comes along with beauty, or what we feel is a lack thereof. That's what I want my platform to be about. That's what I want my page or my channel to amplify. Beauty all the way around, regardless if we feel good about it, if we don't feel good about it. At the end of the day, it is beauty, and it's important to acknowledge that and to combat the crazy feelings that you have in your head that makes you feel like you're not beautiful, because you are. Now, yes, I am still sometimes trying to convince myself of that body-wise. And it's something that I have gotten better at. My boyfriend helps me with it a lot. I talk about it with my sister a whole lot as well. So it's not something that's exactly the same as how it used to be, but I'm constantly trying to be intentional about how I think about myself, how I talk about myself, how I represent myself in public. All of those things are really important to me, and I feel like they kind of make me feel better about myself, even if I'm not all the way there yet. On certain days, it just helps me, you know, to pull myself together on a certain day, even though, especially on the days that I'm not feeling completely cute or confident about myself body-wise, I pull myself together anyway. You know, it gives you a little bit more confidence, even if you're not really feeling it on the inside. And also, like, the days where I don't want to post or I don't want to take pictures of myself if I'm not feeling myself, you know, those are the days that I really try to push myself to do it anyway, because I feel like that's the most important thing to do to combat those thoughts and to make yourself feel better in the moment and in the long run. Our matte face is pretty much done. We're gonna go ahead and spray with some Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and we are gonna hop into the eyes. So I'm gonna prime my eye with my Chestnut Born This Way concealer, and I think we're gonna go ahead and hop into Miss Jackie's palette today. I want to do like a smoky eye situation with this. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is go into Credit, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my lid. Oh, look how deep that color is. Jackie definitely hooked us up with this. I feel like I'm always way closer than this when I'm doing eyes, so I think I'm gonna bring it a little closer. Okay, that's better. So to blend out Credit, I'm gonna go into Ginger, and we're just gonna go ahead and just make this blend out into the skin. So just like a little fall smoky eye situation. So I'm gonna go ahead and go underneath the eye and just go into the same colors. And I'm gonna take my Climax mascara from NARS. I'm looking like a raccoon right now, but The lashes are gonna bring it together. And just go into this to prep for my lashes and throw my lashes on. Okay, so the fact that we're not about to put on any highlighter is kind of getting me a little shook, but I'm liking the way that this is turning out. Let's just go ahead into a matte lip. Because the eyes are so dark, I do want it to be like a lighter nude. I'm gonna line my lips with Dominatrix, which is from NARS. And I'm really just using that as a liner. I don't want the lips to be dark because the eyes are dark. And I'm gonna go into Nude Chica, which is from Dose of Colors. And I love Side-Eye. And to get that ombre, I kind of just push my lips together, rub them. There's nothing really fancy about it. All right, y'all, so this is our finished look. I am really loving this. This is all matte. I have not used anything that was hydrating, nothing that was, you know, shiny, or I didn't even put any blush on. Nothing that has reflex went on this face, and I love it. To me, it looks like more like sophisticated. I don't know. I think it's cute. So I hope you guys didn't mind me sharing the things that I shared today. I just really wanted to just put myself out there, let you guys know what's been going on with me, the issues that I go through. They do keep me sometimes from filming, from posting, from taking photos, all this types of stuff that affects my everyday life. And I want to put it out there because I wanted those of you who do go through things that are similar to know that you're not alone. You still can be in the forefront, you know, get yourself out there, get yourself, you know, to the public. You can still do those things, and it actually will help you to feel better about yourself, because it has definitely helped me. I'm not all the way there, obviously, or we wouldn't be having this conversation. I just wanted to just be transparent with you guys and let you know what's going on with me. And yeah, if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you think about this look, let me know what you think about the all matte, let me know if there's anything you can relate to as far as what I've been talking about, anything you're going through as well. Also, I mentioned you can DM me on Instagram, so please make sure you do that if you do want to talk further about some of the things we talked about today. And don't forget to hit subscribe below if you have not yet, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.